Ladies and gentlemen, in this video guide, we will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove a special adware type application called Player. Player is a special application, the executable that may display tremendous amount of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. The trouble is that you cannot find this player application in the control panel, but you will find some processes that can be running in the background under the name of nwjs. If you right-click on them and select the option to open file location, this will lead you to this player executable. Of course, we could check the control panel of the system and try to uninstall any suspicious programs on the list, but Player will not be on the list, unfortunately. This adware is often spread through integration with many free applications, so in most of the cases users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. We recommend you to automatically clean your computer with the help of reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Go to this official website related to Combo Cleaner Antivirus, download the program, install it, and then start examining the system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.